Let's make this stylized cup in Blender step by step from modeling to using the Shrinkwrap modifier for our design. Let's get started. Now add the cylinder and move it up above the intersection. Tap into edit mode, select the face and delete. Select the bottom face and delete. In edge select mode, select the edge loops at the bottom. Extrude and scale it in. Extrude again and scale it in. Ctrl F to add grid fill. Tap into object mode and add the solidify modifier for thickness. Set the thickness at 0.05 and apply. This will make the cup a solid object, so when we create the handles it won't have any holes. Now in edit mode, add the loop cuts. Increase the number of cuts to like 7. Now turn the base slightly to y-axis. This helps position the handle better on the cup. Now select two faces at the top and two at the bottom and extrude it out. Next, go to edge at the top and bridge edge loops. Increase the number of cuts to 9. And if the handle looks misshapen, change the interpolation type to blender surface. This will fix the distortion and make the handle curve smoothly. The misshape is due to the edge loops not aligned evenly. In object mode, add the subdivision surface modifier, set the levels at 2 and render at 3 and shade it smooth. After that, tap into edit mode to add a few loop cuts to tighten or define the edges around the rim of the cup. In object mode, switch to material preview. Go to material property and assign a color to the cup. Reduce roughness to give it that shiny look. For the design, we'll be using an add-on and a PNG image. You can use any image of your choice. Now go to Edit and Preference. Click on Add-on and search for Import Images as Plain. Enable it and save preference. After that, go to Add, then Image. Choose Images as Plain. Next, find your PNG file from where you saved it and import. I use the background remover to make the image transparent, so I am not restricted to a solid white background. You can use Photoshop, remove.bg, or any tool that can give you a transparent PNG. So bring the image forward, scale it to increase the size, and make some adjustments so it fits right in front of the cup. Next, tap into edit mode and subdivide. Increase the number of cuts to 70. Following this, add the Shrinkwrap Modifier. Set the cup as the target object. Change wrap method to project. Turn on negative and set the offset to 0.005 so it sits nicely on the cup. Now switch to object mode. Select the image and scale it to make it bigger. Just make some necessary adjustments and convert it to mesh. Now select the cup and Ctrl J to join them together. And this is our finished stylized cup. Clean, simple and fun to make. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Blender projects.